Hello my YouTube friends, if you have a full-time job but YouTube is your passion and you want to find a way to create videos faster, have I got a solution for you today. This little teleprompter allows me to script my videos in my free time and then film really quickly when I have a few moments. It's freaking awesome. And it's only 99 bucks. So today I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to put it together, and how it works. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. When you first take it out of the box, honestly, the Padcaster Teleprompter V2 doesn't look like much. It has adapter rings to fit to any size camera lens and can also be used to film with a smartphone or a tablet. It has nifty instruction manuals, a tool to clean the glass, and a protective cover for the front that will keep dust away from the glass when it's not in use. Your smartphone is what provides the scrolling text, and the free Parrot Teleprompter app connects to your Dropbox, so you can just type up your scripts on the computer and move them to your Dropbox, and they'll be right there when you're ready to film. The software works with the included Bluetooth remote to control your text on the screen. It works with Apple or Android, and you can start, stop, fast forward, or rewind the text using the remote. It's really easy. So let's put all this together. You start with the ring adapter that screws into the front of your lens. Then you slide the hood over the adapter until it clicks into place. The spring-loaded trapdoor on the bottom gets pulled down to hold your phone in place, and you're ready to go. It's really that simple. This mini teleprompter is so easy to set up and use in a super tight area like the studio I'm filming in. $99. Seriously, there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. The glass used is professional teleprompter glass, so it never shows up on your images. The only issue I've seen is that if you use a really wide angle lens, the outside edges of the box might show up in the frame. But how often are you going to use a really wide angle lens in the studio? For studio work where you're within 8 or so feet of the camera, it's perfect. It's super easy to read and you can adjust the size and speed of the text scroll easily in the app. Now I can't say how capable it is outdoors in bright sunlight. It may or may not be readable depending upon the angle of the sun. But for studio work, it's a dream come true. You can also flip the text in the app so that if you have your phone a certain way, you can make sure that your text is right side up. And of course the text is always mirrored because that's what the glass does. I highly recommend it. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And like I said, it's 99 bucks. This is a serious bargain. If you're looking for a budget studio mic that's great for live streams and podcasting, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.